And markets have opened in green after US Fed rate hike. Sensex is up over 800 points. Nifty also looks comfortable above 17,000 and is up 220 points. Let me go across to Hina Gambhir for more details. Hina, good morning. All eyes were fixed on Indian markets after that big decision taken by the US Fed to hike the rates. And finally, a positive response coming in.
Well, that's right. Good morning. It is on the expected lines because U.S. Federal Reserve hiked interest rate by about 25 basis points for the first time last night in more than 3 years. So first time since 2018, the rate hike happened and markets in the U.S. overnight reacted positively to this development. Now, following positive global cues from the international stock markets, domestic market here in the Dalal Street has also open in the green. As we speak, in fact, Sensex has been extending the gains. It had opened with a gain of about 700 odd points. As we speak, it is seeing a gain of about 833 points. 57,650 is where Sensex is trading right now. As far as Nifty is concerned, even that looks pretty comfortable above 17,000 mark. So overall, it looks like a good start for stock markets here in India. But of course, our inflation level is also quite high. So, you will remember a couple of days ago, Ministry of Finance had released a statement as well, a monthly statement that it comes out with, which talks about the state of the economy. In that, it has specifically highlighted how the geopolitical situation right now has brought in a bit of uncertainty. So, of course, one reaction has been good of the rate hike by US Fed, but markets here in India are also looking at the domestic factors very, very closely. So far, two things are, working in our favor. One, of course, the COVID cases coming down at a time when some countries across the world are seeing a spike in COVID cases. Second, how oil prices have come down. And that's another positive thing for India that markets are pretty comfortable with. But of course, going forward, we'll have to see more developments with respect to Russia and Ukraine. This is what the investors are now keeping a close eye on.
Right, right now we should actually just cater to the good that markets have in fact reacted positively to the US Fed rate hike. We have to wait and watch what really happens next. But this is the good news at the moment as the markets have opened in green after the Fed rate hike over there.